Hi, in this video, I will share my honest review of Angry Search, an everything search clone, covering its features, performance, and give you my final recommendation. First, download the free software from GitHub. I'll put the link in the video description. On the right-hand side, click to get the source code. After it finishes downloading, unzip the file. The download is only a few kilobytes in size. Before running the install.sh script, make sure the file has executable permissions. As stated on the website, the application is written in Python, so make sure to install the dependencies. Open a terminal window and paste the command. Enter your password and press enter. When prompted, confirm by typing Y and pressing enter. Copy the path to the installation script, then run it with sudo. Once the installation finishes, you'll find Angry Search in the Start menu. After starting Angry Search, press the Update button to initialize the app and create an index of all files and folders on your hard drive. Here you can choose an icon theme or add folders to be ignored. Press the Update button on the left-hand side. This may take some time depending on your hard drive size. I'm running this in a virtual machine, so it's a bit slower, but still quite fast for a Python application. The search is straightforward. On the left, I created a few test documents. To search, simply type the file name and the database is filtered instantly for the entered text. Once you find a file, you can copy its path, open the containing folder, or open the document itself. To search for substrings, uncheck the checkbox. Unfortunately, this causes the application to crash. Substring search fails, and the app continues to crash or stop working even after restarting. I'm using Debian Linux. In my case, the app crashes as soon as I type a character. Apparently other users have the same issue. It's a well-known bug that has persisted for years with no fix. That's unfortunate. The bug significantly limits the search functionality. I noticed in my tests that regex search doesn't work either. With that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.